four-wheel turning on Orange Street tonight. Moon lean low by the harbor light. Horn crying soft and thin. Another rude boy story drifting in. Your letter reached me 3:15, folded like a prison memory. Ink run down from the Kingston rain. Still your words cut clean like cane. You say the town no sing the same. Sound system cold, no heart, just fame. Rata still hear coxswain's ghost floating through the old dance house smoke. And every sidewalk hold a scar. Every singer chasing yesterday's star. But the bassline know where truth resides, deep in the pocket where the broken hide. Rocksteady carry me home tonight. Low bass rolling under yellow light. One guitar whisper, one heartbeat slow. Lovers in the corner moving toe to toe. Rocksteady never lose its flame, even when Babylon renamed the game. From Trenchstone Yard to Foreign Shore, the old soul rhythm still demand more. Trumpet burn like evening sun. Drummer hold tight with the one drop run. Window girl with cinnamon eyes, dance like sorrow, never survive. Record spinning with dusty grace. Needle trembling in sacred space. Every crackle inside that sound, feel like ancestors walking round. No fast money can buy this groove. No plastic singer got this move. This rhythm born from sweat and tin, from hunger outside and faith within. Rocksteady carry me through the storm, keep my spirit ragged but warm. When the city drown in flashing noise, give me old school hearts and studio boys. Rocksteady carry me home tonight, sweet horn rising like candlelight. And if tomorrow never comes,